Hi there. I wanted to give a quick tutorial for how to make these in Blender. So first, what you want to do is go up here to Edit and Preferences. Make sure in your add-ons you've got extra objects enabled, specifically Mesh. You can do Curve, but you won't need it for in this case. But this actually enables a lot of really cool things. So first, we're going to Shift A to add. And actually, let me enable my screencast keys just in case. So, screencast keys, cool. All right, that's working. Shift A to add, we're gonna go over to our math function and regular solid. Back in the day, I used to do all kinds of custom shapes, and I used to do them by hand manually with math because I didn't know about this. It was a giant pain in the ass. I don't recommend doing it. It's a big waste of everyone's time. So first you can go in here and get all kinds of fun shapes, but probably that's not what you want. In here you can go down to presets and get all kinds of shapes. In particular, we're looking for the rhombic dodecahedron, which is a really cool alternate D12 shape by default. In this case, I notice you want to use it as a D4. By default, you're going to get this orientation, which is not quite what we're looking for here. So we want some points up at the top to stretch, and we want the flat sides on the side, or at least in this case, so that we can put our numbers like so. Playing around with this, I noticed rotation comes out nice around this value. So I'm going to tell you how I eyeball it, and then how you want to do it from there is up to you. But personally, I look at these ridges, and so I'm going to hit R to rotate. In this case, I believe my Y-axis is what I'm looking for. And from here, I'm kind of too far back to see anything. But if I do that again, you can see at the top, I can't do this and show it at the same time, but you can see like right here, there's a little stair step effect. So if you play with this, you should see that go away, and then I'll kind of take a look at this from other angles and make sure there's no other bumps anywhere obvious. And that should be close enough by far for anything you're actually going to use realistically, and this should be pretty close, 0.25. But then I notice, hey, we want to have our flat sides on the side, so I'm going to take that R Y-axis again and 90 degrees, and that'll give us the same 125 and some change, 0.258 or something like that. Yeah, we're good there. Okay, then from there, I'm going to grab this and I'm going to scale it. So S is to scale, and I'm going to do Z-axis. But right now, you'll notice that's not working out so hot, and that's because we need to apply this rotation. So we're going to do Control A to apply. Choose rotation, and now this should work out much better for us, and you can set this to kind of however you want. For this image here, you might be wondering how I did that. That is pretty straightforward, but you will need preferences, add-ons, images, planes, import images, planes there, but I believe I actually just use reference, so I guess you wouldn't need to use that at all. Pick a reference, and then now once I've done that, I've gone down here to the image options, given it some opacity, and then to make sure I can't select it, I've gone over here and made it so I couldn't select it and click on it. And now no matter what I do, I'm not going to click on that picture, and I can use it as a nice little reference. Anyway, I hope this helped, and you get to making some really cool dice, man. From here, I also have some other tutorials on using different dice templates and making some really editable dice configurations using numbers and curves. In any case, I really hope this helps. It looks like some other people have helped you out, but Blender is really cool. I'm using it for a lot. I hope you have a lot of fun with this.